Hi, in this video we will going to discuss the event handler in SSIS. Uh, event handlers that event handler can be used to capture certain events when they occurred during the package execution, and those events like on error, on information, on post execution. So, like for example, we will going to take the on error. So if the error is raised, I will going to see the event handler will execute it. And in case I have no issue in my package, I will see nothing will happen on my event handler. We can like talk about the post execute, or if I want to run here a package after my project being executed. So that's the event that I can work on. See, it's highlighted. So, and you can choose multiple event at the same time. But let me delete this one and go to the on error. I'm going to show you guys what I have here in my example. I have in my example here 3 execute SQL task. The first one, it's just selecting a table, which is I have it here, a table called a store right here. So I have a table, select everything from the store table. So this is the first task that I have no issue with. It's simply selecting data from the store table. Here I will insert data to the store table, but if you realize here, I on purpose delete or removed the break and the E letter from the store name in order to getting error. I'm looking for the error to capture it in my table that I will going to create it. The same thing I have here. This is I have update statement. I don't want to get any error here. So this is the only one that I have that has an error. If I executed my package, I will see here it select everything from my table, but it does not inserting anything since I have a mistaking query that need to be fixed. So I have nothing right here right now. What I'm going to do is I create a table called OnError. I have nothing in that table yet. It's empty. It consists of ID column, it's int, and I have the package name, the source, and the message. In case if I have an error, I will capture this information: what the package name, what the source, and what the message. I will see the message here, and all this information I will capture it once my package will filled. Let's see how it works. I will go to event handler and click here. I will use execute SQL, and this is my database name. I will say insert into on error the values. Why I have here question marks? Because I'm going to use a parameters. So it's okay. Go to parameter mapping and add the 3 parameters. The first one is for the package name. This is the package name, and go to parameter name, mark it as 0, add the other one, which is the source name, and 1, and here add the error description and mark as 2. This is the sequence of my parameters here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. If you want to add more in your table, you can add more, you know, parameters. And if you want to capture the error code, if you want like the package ID, all these like data, you can capture it. Press OK. See guys, I will see this executable will be executed because I have an error here in my package in the control flow. Run my package. See, I still have error. If you go to event handler, something wrong here. What's the wrong that I have it here? Hmm, something wrong with the query. Let me go right here. It's basic practice to come check it here. Insert into. It says there is no table called OnError. Values, insert into package name, source, and message. That's right. Of course, I will get error because this is variables. Package name, source name. Oh, data type. You need to make a data type invocar as I have it in my table. It's good to have errors, so I will learn more. Now, I hope this one will work. Let's execute it again. Let's go back to event handler. See guys, it works. So if I go to my table right now and select everything from my OnError, see guys, I have the package name called event handler. I have the source, it's called the insert table, and I have the message here. It's showing what error I have, and if you want to read it, you can see it tells you that something wrong with your query. But this is the source. It's here called insert table, and this is my package name. This is how we are dealing with event handler. It's very useful for troubleshoot your project and useful in SSIS. I hope you guys enjoyed my watching my video, and see you for next videos. Thank you.